Welcome back! Now that the global AAA configuration is done, you can tie everything together by applying these settings to your SSH lines. This step ensures that all user sessions are properly authenticated and tracked according to your new security policies. In this second of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll complete the TACACS Plus configurations via CLI on a Catalyst 1300 switch. Next. The following commands will only apply to a line and not as a global configuration. Therefore, enter line configuration mode by typing line SSH to configure SSH. Now you can specify the login authentication method list used for remote telnet SSH or console session. I'll enter login authentication SSH so that login authentication will use the method list SSH. Just a quick refresher. The method list SSH was set to use TACACS Plus as the first method and local authentication as the second. To set the authentication method list for accessing a higher privilege level from a remote telnet SSH or console session, I'll enter enable authentication SSH. Now enable authentication will use the method list SSH. To apply the specified authorization method list to one of the management interfaces, I'll enter authorization commands 15 SSH, so that level 15 commands will be authorized using the list named SSH. The last step in line configuration mode is to apply the specified accounting method list to one of the management interfaces. I'll enter accounting commands 15 SSH so that accounting for level 15 commands will use that same list named SSH. Once you've completed the configuration, exit out of the interface and return to privileged exec mode. Be sure to save these changes with copy running-config startup-config so that the settings persist after a reboot. This completes the steps. Here is a recap of the line commands used in part 2. There you have it! The Catalyst 1300 switch is ready to communicate with the TACACS Plus server. Now you just need to verify that it is working as you planned. Click the link in the description for the details. Thanks for watching! I'll see you next time.